Greetings, salutations, YouTube and welcome to another episode of the vlog. I'm just opening the doors in the house so we can have, I don't know, some air coming in. I always like to, when I'm downstairs, I'm always downstairs, but when I'm like in the living room, I always like to open things just so like the air, like the house can breathe a little bit. I'm loving all my plants right now. Look at this. My beautiful new orchids that I got from mom. Well, the orchids I got from mom are stunning. There's like a little thing on there. This plant is doing really well. I feel like it's looking really happy. I don't know what I should do with this because like it was already bent at the store. But should I just keep it and see what happens? Like, I don't know, it's looking a little bit more green. It actually looked like it was like a lot more like reddish and dying when I first got it. And it's looking like it's perking up a little bit, so I don't know exactly what to do. Should I cut it? Let me know what you guys think. But right now, I'm actually going to get some of these. I'm gonna drop some off to our neighbor. We love them, and the husband is actually a doctor, and he is a frontline worker, and we love them, appreciate them so much. And we're gonna bring some. I'm just gonna put some of these on a plate, and I'm just gonna drop it off at their house. No contact drop off. You guys know the drill. That's what I'm gonna do with that right now. So let me get some Cinnabons. Oh, they're so good. Alright, I got my little plate ready, so I'm gonna go drop this off. I am back now. I'm like all ready, like all shiny from my little walk. But I was looking at my peonies. Looks like that one is starting to open, and this one is starting to open. So they're all kind of almost going to be opening sometime soon. This one is like the last one. That rose, we were gonna throw it away because it kind of looked like it was dying, but it started growing like a new growth on the side or something. So mom is very interested in trying to regrow it perhaps, so that's why it is kind of tucked in here with the other roses. Let me know if anyone's ever had any success kind of growing roses from something like that. Anyway, right now I'm going to empty out the dishwasher. I'm going to give the kitchen a quick cleaning. Look at all that stuff right there. Ay caramba. So I'm going to empty out the dishwasher, put this stuff away, and remember, if you guys follow me on Instagram, which you guys definitely should if you guys are not already, because I always need you guys' help on there. There was this 3-tier plant stand that I wanted to get and put right here. I think it would be so cute. I feel like I honestly, like, I kind of hate this thing right here. I want to like move it out, but like literally mom actually uses it and puts stuff in it. But I feel like it would be so cute not to have that and like figure out something else to put here instead. And I really want a 3-tier plant stand right here. I think it would be really, really pretty. And we could put plants on it, which is like the goal. But I don't know. I'm just gonna clean everything up. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. Alright guys, this is so cool. I'm using like the AR technology or whatever that Target has on their app, and this is what that planter would look like sitting here in, like, it would be a lot better if I moved everything, but I was a little lazy and Mom's about to start cooking, so I don't want to like mess her up while she's cooking. But that's how it would look, and I feel like it would look really, really cute. What do you guys think? I'm gonna snapshot this and then put it on Instagram. Alright you guys, we just got an order in right now from Costco. We'll start taking everything in. Mom made some chicken adobo, and then we also have some of the leftovers from yesterday as well for dinner. Yay, time to eat. Alright you guys, it is now the end of the night, and I am super tired. Today was a long day. I'm gonna get tomorrow's video ready, so hope you guys had fun. And I'll see you guys tomorrow, bright and early at 7 a.m. Until then, if they do, I do. Bye!